Two Peoples Bay is a very popular area located just east of Albany on the south coast of Western Australia. There are two main parts to the bay that you can access easily by vehicle. The first is on the western side. There are no camping facilities available on this side of the bay. The eastern side of Two Peoples Bay is accessed via the South Coast Highway and Homestead Road, which is partially unsealed. The first site you'll come to is Norman's Inlet. You take a turn off to the left and follow the track down to the inlet. There is not a lot of turning room at the end of this road, so it's a very bad idea to take large vehicles in. You're going to have a very tough time turning around if you do. The campsites here are very minimal, and people are basically crowded together in one single area. There are one or two small spots next to the inlet, but other than that, not a lot available at this site, and it gets crowded very quickly in peak season. There is a track that takes you down to Norman's Beach. It's a very attractive area with the imposing Mount Many Peaks off to the east of the bay. The second campsite is a place called Betty's Beach. Instead of turning left off Homestead Road and heading for Norman's Inlet, you keep straight on. You follow the track to a T-junction and turn left, follow along the coast for a short distance before going down quite a steep hill. The area is used part of the year for salmon fishing, and at that time camping is not permitted, but the rest of the year it's available, and at the time of making this video it's still a free site. It's one of the most attractive places on the coast that you can camp. The site has been upgraded and new toilets have been installed. It's probably not a good idea to go driving on the beach here, as the sand is pretty soft, and as you'll see, recovering vehicles from this can be a bit of a task. The campsites available at Two Peoples Bay are just some of what's available in the area. To the west of Albany, you'll find a number of other sites, including Shelley Beach and Cozy Corner East. So there are quite a number of options available, rather than just having to stay in caravan parks while you're in the Albany area. East Bay is the third and last of the campsites available at Two Peoples Bay. When you reach the coast, instead of turning left for Betty's Beach, you simply turn right and the track will take you down to East Bay. Again, there is quite a steep descent down to the campsite, but here you'll find one of the most beautiful beaches in the area. There is a day use only parking area at this site, so please keep that clear if you're going to be camping. We have seen people using the day use area to camp, and doing that is only going to annoy the locals and wind up with the campsites being closed down. The City of Albany is doing a really fantastic job making these nature-based campsites available, and it's really up to the people who stay there to look after them and make sure they stay open for everybody to use into the future. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button. If you want to see more of our stuff, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. That way you'll get informed every time we upload a new video. Hope to see you back here again soon. Cheers.